Well, hello there everyone. I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So I have a one pot meal for you guys today. I'm making chicken teriyaki noodles in one pot. And these are some of my favorite kind of meals because they're so easy. You just dump all your ingredients in one pot and then you have this fantastic dinner. So I've got my ingredients here on my counter. I'll just go over those with you as I make it, but I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below if you want to go check that out later. But we've got to get started because you know what time it is. It's time to get cooking. So to my pot, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm going to add 6 chicken tenderloins that I have cut into small bite-sized pieces. All right, I am going to go ahead and season with a little bit of salt, black pepper, all right, so the next thing I'm going to do is add about 2 cups of a finely shredded cabbage, about 1 cup of a shredded carrot. And I'm just going to cook these vegetables with my chicken until they're tender. I'm also going to add some spices. I have 1 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and dried mustard. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of soy sauce. This is a low sodium soy sauce. And I'm also going to add 1/4 cup of honey. Now you can use brown sugar if you want. I just like to use honey. It's more of a natural sweetness and I like the flavor that it gives. Then add 3.5 cups of water. All right, and then I have here 1 pound of spaghetti. You just want to stir this all around. Now you're going to want to keep your eye on this. If it starts to look like it is dry, like the spaghetti noodles start to absorb the liquid and it becomes dry, you can always add a little bit more water. And I also added about 1 tablespoon of this hoisin sauce. It just gives it a deeper, richer flavor. But this is optional. So the chicken teriyaki noodles are all done and they look and smell fantastic. Y'all gotta come check them out. All right, so now it is my favorite time to eat. These noodles are so delicious. They are full of flavor. I really hope that you give them a try. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.